In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font size in Yahoo Mail so your emails are easier to read when you compose them. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Yahoo Mail website. Sign in to your account and wait for your inbox to load. Once you're inside Yahoo Mail, click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the panel that appears, select More Settings to open the full settings page. On the left side, click Writing Email. This section controls the default appearance of your outgoing messages. Look for the default rich text font area. You'll see a font size drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and choose the size you prefer, such as medium, large, or huge. As soon as you select a new size, Yahoo Mail applies the change automatically. This new size will now be used for all new emails you compose. It won't change the size of emails you receive, and it won't affect messages you've already sent. If you ever want to adjust the size for just one specific email, you can still use the formatting toolbar inside the Compose window to temporarily override the default. That's it. You've successfully changed the default font size in Yahoo Mail.